The tale of the Tulbul project. Once upon a time, nestled in the breathtaking valley of Kashmir, where mountains kissed the skies and rivers whispered through the meadows, flowed the mighty Jhelum River. At the edge of the vast and shimmering Vular Lake, one of Asia's largest freshwater treasures, a vision was born, a vision called the Tulbul Project. India, in the year 1984, dreamed of building something remarkable at the mouth of Vular Lake near the town of Sopore. The goal? Not just a structure, but a navigation lock-cum control structure, a means to regulate the Jhelum's flow, to store water during floods, and release it during drier days. The idea was to help boats glide smoothly in the lean season and to store nearly 300,000 acre-feet of water for when it was needed most. But like many tales, this one took a dramatic turn. Because the Jhelum was no ordinary river. It was one of the western rivers protected under the Indus Waters Treaty, signed way back in 1960 by India and Pakistan. According to this treaty, India must allow the western rivers, including the Jhelum, to flow freely into Pakistan, with only limited rights for use. As soon as the Tulbul project came to light, Pakistan raised its voice in protest. This project violates the treaty, they said. It's not just a lock, it's a storage dam. It gives India control over the river's flow. But India defended the vision, saying, "This isn't about control. It's a navigation aid. The treaty allows us to improve river transport. We are not breaking the rules." And so began a decades-long stalemate, a political tug of war over water. Meanwhile, the Vular Lake quietly continued its role. It supported countless birds and aquatic life, protected valleys from floods, and kept ecosystems in balance. The Tulbul project, if completed, could enhance this role, preventing spring floods, sustaining irrigation, helping people travel by water once again. But it also posed risks of disrupting natural flow, damaging fragile ecosystems, and raising tensions downstream. By 1987, after only a bit of groundwork, the construction of the Tulbul project came to a halt, paused under pressure, frozen by diplomacy. Since then, talks have happened. Documents exchanged. Points debated. But the project remains suspended, a dream in waiting. Every now and then, India hints at resuming work, speaking of water rights and strategic needs. Pakistan, still wary, continues to object. And so, the Tulbul project sits at a crossroads of geopolitics and ecology, of development and diplomacy. A silent sentinel at the edge of Vular Lake, waiting for a future to unfold. This is not just the story of a dam. It is the story of a river, a lake, to nations, and the fine balance between using nature and respecting it. After nearly 4 decades of dormancy, India is now actively planning to restart the Tulbul barrage. The move is controversial. Proponents highlight developmental gains, navigation, ecology, energy, while critics warn of geopolitical friction and environmental consequences. With an NHPC-led feasibility study underway, the project appears poised for revival, but local and international sensitivities remain high.